Awesome. So that works. So now, so straight works, flush works, two pair works, three of a kind works, four of a kind works, full house works. Now all we need is a straight flush and a royal flush, which is the badass one, right? So if four of a kind, if four of a kind. So that's what we need to check for out here. Is we could just do that conditional out here, right? So like if we check before we even drop into pairs, if we have a straight and a flush, and the first slot of our cards is equal to, what's a royal flush? 10, jack, queen, king, ace. Okay, so if our first card is not equal, or is equal to 10, and we have a straight and a flush, then we have a royal flush. And if we have a straight and a flush, but our low card is not equal to 10, then we have a straight flush. And then anything other than that, we either have a straight or a flush, and then if those fail, then we just drop into pairs, and then the pairs does the rest. So so we have our function pairs, we have our function straight, we have our function flush, and now we just need to write the conditionals for the hands. So I'll delete this. We don't need that anymore. We don't need to print pairs. We can just comment that out for now, because we'll just copy that. So we're gonna say if so we need to so that's returning. Okay. So if so we needed to check for flush. If flush, we pass in player hand values. If flush and straight, again, player hand values. And player hand values, position 0. So this is all one big conditional, checking if they're all true. Then we can print straight flush, or no, royal flush, right? And then we could probably make a variable called royal flush so when we do the betting, so that we can actually calculate what you win. So for now, we're just gonna do this, and we're gonna set player hand values. Hand values without this is equal to open close brackets, because it's a list, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay. And we're gonna say what are we gonna do? For flush, we need you know what we need in flush? We don't need the values. We need the suits. Obviously, player hand suits. oh, is equal to, and then right here we just make it C. We're gonna copy that. Can you guys see that? Sorry, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so syntax error. 161. So if flush, okay, and straight. Okay, so we need an E. We need to close this one. We need to close this one. And we need to say is equal to 10. Those are closed. I think that should be it. No, I'll buy you soon, Sublime, I promise. Okay, 1, no, royal flush. Perfect. So we have a royal flush. So same thing. Elif flush. We could just copy this. And all we need to do for this conditional is change this right here. We need to change that to an exclamation mark. And all that means is not equal to. And then we print straight flush, right? And we're going to change this one to a D, because then it's not a flush anymore. Whoa. Oh, you know what? I broke the wrong thing. I'm going to say this is equal to, we'll just drop it down one. 12, 11, 10. Broke the wrong condition. Okay. No, straight flush. Awesome. So, and then elif flush. We can just copy this again. Flush, and I don't know if that'll work. I think it has to be this. Let's see. So we'll do a flush but not a straight, and we'll see if it likes that. I don't think it's going to. Print checking. Checking. Okay, so it did like that. So this is what flush. And then same thing. We're gonna call this one straight. And we're gonna put not flush and straight. So same thing, change that, and we'll make this a straight. Out of range. See, I don't know why it does that. I have to fix that. Straight. Okay. And then all we need to do, since our I don't need that there. Since our pairs checks for anything else. So if there's no pairs, right? It says you lose. All we need to do is say pairs, player hand values, and then give it the cards, I guess. So let's run that. Let's we have to print that actually. Let's run that, make sure it works. So I don't have any pairs. I almost have a straight though. So I'm gonna say 4. Oh, you know what? This is gonna break anyways. We have to delete these. We don't need them anymore. Python 8923. I don't have my straightening one, motherfucker. You lose. So I didn't get anything. So let's play again. I have to fix that. So I have a pair of queens. So I'm gonna get rid of my 2. Yeah, let's get rid of our second slot again. No. I have a pair of Qs. So that works. Yeah. I mean, it's nothing flashy. I almost have a straight. No. You lose. Got the same card back, I think. No, I got a 5 diamond. So that works. So that's our conditional for the game. So we just need a while loop if you want to keep playing. So what we're gonna do, so while keep playing, I have to keep this the same because for whatever reason I did underscores on this one and I don't know why. Well, I'll keep playing and then we need all this code to be indented. Okay, so we'll add try accepts later. So we're gonna say answer is equal to raw input keep playing, and then say if answer dot lower position 0, because I only care about the first character, is equal to yes. Keep playing. Actually, I want to make it not equal. It is not equal to, because I don't want to make it, I only want to change it if it's not equal to that. So false. So let's try it. I don't care. I lose pair aces. Awesome. Keep playing. Yes. So it didn't like that. What did I do wrong? That's weird. Keep playing is not equal to y. Huh. Interesting. You guys are so quiet in chat today. No one's talking. How's it going, guys? Talk to me. I get bored. I don't know why that's not working. Let's see what it's getting. Yes, yes. Let's check it. Let's check if that works. Keep playing, yes. What? What?